Guys, panibagong video na naman ako ngayon. Meron akong lulutuin ngayon. Biko ito, malagkit guys. Yan o. Kapag saing na ako ng malagkit na bigas. Ngayon, gagawa pa ako ng latik dito. So, umpisahan ko na guys paggagawa nito. Yan. Pan ko muna yan. Ilalagay ko na natin.
Oh, nine tails. We have nine tails.
Where are those grenades? Give me those grenades.
Gata guys. Ito na
I'm closing
gata.
this door on you. I'm closing this door on you, and you can't do anything about it. I know what your name. I know what your name is. I know what your name. Where are you? Which one? I know what your name is.
They're coming.
Hey,
They're coming. They're coming. They're coming. Oh my goodness, they're coming. They're coming. He's coming. They found us. They found us. They found us.
Bravo! Bravo to you, my friend.
Thank goodness for voice chat. Okay.
Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Markiplier. Hello, Internet. Welcome to Game Fear.
Today.
Oh dear, that's not good. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's me. Oh, there's a baby in here. Oh, there's a breathing child. Ah. Shoot it, it's right behind you.
Easy cooking lang ito guys.
It's right behind you, Zion. It's right behind you. I'm lying.
Simpleng cooking ng Biko. Bikong Bisaya.
There's nothing there. You know, there's nothing there.
Ayan na, kumukulo na guys. Pero matagal pa ito gagawin niya.
Love you. Goodbye.
Bye.
Oh,
So yun lang guys. Kulo pa lang pakulo guys.
You're gonna fight for
Hanggang
SCP stuff. So be ready.
mag-ano na siya. Magkakamantika-mantika na.
Where are they?
They're gate A.
Can I keep me?
So I get as much stuff you need. You're gonna need it.
I'm loading up.
So type in chat, I'm a one-man army. Wait, are you gonna wait for them from there? I'm a big boy. Whoa, oh, nobody, jokes.
What do they say?
They're happy. They think it's cool. They like your shows, I know.
Kailangan halo-haloin din natin guys. Para hindi masunog.
I came.
It's not winning, dog. It's not winning.
I conquered.
I came, I saw, I
Yes,
conquered.
I'm a class D.
I'm also Class D.
Oh,
Yan guys, medyo nagmamantika na.
That's not good. Both
Yeah.
the eyes.
Pwede na natin lagay natin asukal
Biko.
para magkaramelize.
If you guys are smart, open the door, get on the floor, everybody walk the dinosaur.
You have strength in numbers.
There we go. Let's beat him up, gang.
Oh!
Gang, gang. I'm out of here.
That's not good.
Hi, Dangalang. I'm closing that door.
out of here.
Please don't do this, Mr. Peanut. Thank you. I told you, Mr. Peanut. I told you not. I'm a nice person. I wouldn't hurt anybody.
Yes, you would. Let's just go.
Yes, that's it. Hey.
Hello.
Hi.
Ow.
I'm gonna throw a grenade at you. You're gonna like it.
Watch out for the
No,
pea
no, no,
shooter.
no.
EJ, become a zombie. EJ, become a
Take
zombie.
this.
EJ, become a
Take this.
zombie. Become a zombie.
Take
Become a
this.
zombie.
Take this.
Become a zombie. Become a zombie.
Oh yeah, make me one of your spawn. Thank you.
We're gonna kill you, dog.
I'm gonna kill you all.
Where are you, EJ? I'm gonna be.
Why does this guy have a chest?
Can you open that?
I'm the flesh buddy. Flesh buddy.
Can you open that?
Open child.
Use the magic words.
I want some oil.
What 173 go, dude? That was so funny.
You wanna go upstairs so we can get become circles?
Yeah, why not? Let's go. Yeah, let's leave the doctor behind. He can do it.
We can do it.
Okay na guys, pwede na natin lagay natin sinaing na malagkit.
Minion.
Any minion?
Pretty sure. EJ,
You might have to rejoin.
EJ, talk.
Hi.
Oh. Force of habit. So now you go this way. This guy is such a has bad English, but he's a good negotiator. You're gonna board, we gonna board, let's all be bored.
I mean, he's not wrong. He's not wrong.
Oh man, 6.
Yan na guys, pagtagaan natin halo-haloin yan.
Okay, the one you fight for.
Yan o.
Oh, hello friends!
Oh, hello everybody. Okay, hi guys. Hi guys. Wow.
You can do it, EJ. I think they see you.
They don't see me. I'm dead.
Stab him, stab him,
They don't see me.
stab him.
I'm gonna beat you up. Like,
Okay, we're gonna respawn anyway.
we're gonna respawn.
I can't speak.
Rejoin.
Oh, I'm gonna lose my mic.
I'm an unlock.
I'm an ungok.
Are these guys funny?
Hello. Yeah, these guys are funny. Hello, EJ, I'm right behind you. Francisco's also right behind us.
We're going to rat.
Ito guys, ang ating Biko. Tikman natin.
Princess, they get it in time?
You should probably leave 9:14.
We're inside the machine.
You should leave 9:14 right now.
Everybody leave 914. It's not safe. Everybody leave 914 right now. Please. Everybody listen to me. Leave. Please. Okay, I did. Hi.
Which one is you?
That's nice. That's nice. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me.